mga ka-On The Go, I am Feb and you're watching Bicolano On The Go YouTube channel. One of the team's goal is to discover places in Camarines Norte. So here we are at Granja Berde Resort located at Holiday Home Subdivision, Barangay Lagon, Daet, Camarines Norte. Madyo na! Let's explore what Granja Berde has to offer. And on this side, their staffs will accommodate you to check on the services that you would want to avail dito sa Granja Berde Resort. So makikita natin dito yung price list ng services. So for everyone, if you wanted to ask, their entrance fee would be 120 for kids and adult is 140 if that's nighttime. For daytime naman, it's 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Adult would be 110 pesos and for kids is 100 pesos. Okay, so later on, we will show you their pool. They do have their glamping rooms. They have the fully air-conditioned events hall. And they do have restaurant here in Granja Berde Resort. So tara! Go, I'm with Miss Chris, one of the staffs here in Granja Berde Resort. Sasamahan niyo po tayo. So, she will be the one to tour us here in Granja Berde Resort. Yes, Miss Chris?
Yes, po.
Tama po ba? Simulan po natin sa swimming pool ng ating resort. If you wanted to swim, if you wanted to, freshen up, please do visit this place because they do have a swimming pool. Ito po yun. And sa gabi, may lights dyan. So, dun sa mga mahilig mag-photoshoot, ang ganda ng ilaw, ang ganda ng pailaw dito during nighttime. Tama po, ma'am?
Yes, po.
Oo, ang ganda. Ano pong lalim yan? Kasi parang from here, parang it's 5 feet. Pero I'm sure up to 6 feet po ba ang lalim ng pool?
Actually po, ito pong pang kids ay 2 feet. And then sa pang adult po, sloping na po siya, ma'am, 3, 4, and 5 feet.
3, 4, and 5 feet. No, kasi yung iba, they prefer yung mga yung may enjoy naman nila yung pag-swim, hindi yung mag-struggle sila on swimming. So yun mga ka-on the go. This is a very nice infinity pool here in Granja Berde. How much po would be the entrance fee?
So for the entrance fee po, we have daytime swimming po, which is from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Ang entrance fee po for adult is 110, for kids po is 100.
100 pesos.
Opo.
And for nighttime?
Sa nighttime naman po from 4 p.m. to 11 p.m. Sa adult na po would be 140 per head.
Okay.
And sa kids po is 120 per head.
120 per head.
Yes.
Do you have special offer kasi it's going to be Christmas season? Meron na bang nakaplan? Hopefully, no?
Hopefully po.
Hopefully, they do have offer, special promo, no? For those who would want to try the infinity pool here in Granja Berde. We will now show you their glamping rooms. Let's go, ma'am. And yes, mga ka-on the go, ngayon naman po, sinamahan kami ni Miss Chris to show us their glamping rooms here in Granja Berde Resort. Ayan, so makikita nyo, nakakatuwa po because from 5 rooms, ngayon po they do have 10 rooms. Tama po, 10 glamping rooms po to accommodate more visitors and tourists, no? Na who would want to relax and, enjoy the outdoors in comfort and style. Ayan. So we do have here a glamping room. Cost po would be for a stay is 1,125 pesos.
Yes,
Tama po, ma'am?
Yes,
that would be good for 2 to 3 persons. But I've heard it's a good news for us as well because they do have a promo which will be the price drops to
from 1,125 to 850 per room.
850 per room.
Yes, po.
pwede po ba, papasilip namin sa inyo yung room dito sa sa Granja Berde Resort. Yan. Do we have light? Ayun, di ba? We do have here, and this is the looks of the inside of the room. Come, we will show you what's inside. Ano po ba ang meron sa loob ng glamping room dito sa Granja Berde Resort? They do have, ano po yung nasa side? Is it, this is good for two, right? 2 persons.
Yes po.
Opo. So,
yung bed po naka-prepare is good for 2 persons.
Oo.
If ever po na magiging 3 to 4 persons yung gagamit, nagdadagdag po kami ng beddings, pillows, and blanket po provided po.
And what would be po the additional fee for that? Pag meron pong additional?
So, dun po sa promo rate namin na 850 for 3 persons na po siya. Sa isang room po, pwede po hanggang 4 persons. Mag-add lang po ng additional na 350 na magiging total po ng 1,200 kung 4 persons na po sa isang room.
And it comes with a free swimming.
Yes po. Free swimming na po yun. Free entrance fee.
Free entrance fee.
And free table and chairs din po kung saan pwede mag-gather yung mga guests.
So for those po na gustong mag-staycation, please do visit this place, Granja Berde Resort, because they have here a glamping room that you could avail for 1,125, the original price. Now it's 850 pesos. Tama?
Yes po.
Good for 2 to 3 persons with free swimming, free entrance fee, and free table and chairs. Ito po yan, yung free table and chairs. Diba? So, nakaka-amaze kasi diba, if gusto nilang mag-bonding, they can use the space para sa
Yes po.
nila, 'di ba? Sa pag
Kung family or group of friends po, pwede po na kung more than 4 persons, bali ang i-avail po nila is yung magkakatabing rooms po.
they could avail for that.
Yes.
May discount po ba kapag maraming in-avail?
Ay, nagbibigay naman po.
Nagbibigay ng discount ang Granja
Yes po.
Berde.
Bali yung promo po namin starts this November until further notice po kung kailan po siya babalik sa regular.
Yes, okay. Yan, ito po. So this is their glamping room. We will now proceed to their function hall.
Yes.
Tama po. If you're looking for a function hall for your birthdays, Christmas, celebration, reunions, or wedding reception, tama, they do have here in Granja Berde a fully air-conditioned function hall. Yan, Miss Chris would show us kung ano ba yung itsura ng kanilang function hall dito sa Granja Berde and kung ilan po ang capacity para po alam natin in case po na magbubook tayo sa kanila. Because food and venue packages available po, just visit their page, their Facebook page. Tara, bisitahin natin itong function hall. Wow! And we're here inside their function hall. Ma'am Chris, may I know po ilan ba yung capacity ng function hall dito sa Granja Berde?
So kung kaya it can cater po mga hanggang 180 to 200 packs.
180 to 200.
Pero pinaka-suggestion po namin is hanggang 150 sana para po kumbaga comfortable pa yung setup.
Okay. Oo nga naman. Sa space kasi, di ba?
Yes po.
Mas komportable nga naman if you can still enjoy the space. Especially kapag party, kasi di ba, may dance for all, yung mga ganon tayong mga programs. At for those po who would want to avail or book their function hall, please do visit their Facebook page. It's Granja Berde.
Yes po.
In Facebook. You can contact them and have a chat with our staffs para po mabigyan kayo ng quotation. Tama po ba, ma'am? Kasi they could offer you a package or a certain quotation. Depende po sa needs ninyo sa event. Yan.
Yes,
Maraming salamat po, ma'am, for this tour. It's, a very beautiful resort. Such a peaceful, and if you are a nature lover, ma-enjoy niyo po talaga dito because you can have, a staycation in comfort and style. Yan. Maraming salamat po. We will now proceed to the boy baths.
Yes po.
papakita po namin sa inyo yung restaurant po dito sa resort. So you don't have to worry kasi aside from enjoying your stay here, you could enjoy also, hindi kayo magugutom. You can enjoy their delicacies, di ba? Ang mga dishes here in Boy Babs. Tara, bisitahin natin ang Boy Babs restaurant. If you're looking for an affordable place to celebrate your event, alam nyo ba na for as low as 4,999 pesos, you may exclusively use Boy Bob's Restaurant here at Granja Berde Resort. Tama po ba, ma'am?
Yes, po.
Opo. And it's consumable foods. So, ma'am, can you tell us, lahat po ba yun? Yung 4,999, it's consumable para sa knowledge ng ating mga guests?
Yes po. Yung pong worth na 4,999, consumable na po na food. Free use na po nung ating venue.
Free use in venue.
Yes po.
And syempre, ang mga Filipino, we do love video okay. So they can also tap or coordinate to the supplier. Tama po ako?
Yes,
Opo. Who could provide and deliver video okay dito kung gusto po ng ating mga guests. Tama po ba? Yes. And we will show you, of course, one of the dish or the specialty dish dito sa
Yes,
Granja Berde, which is the
beef kare-kare.
beef kare-kare. Yes. Tara, matitikman natin yan later on. Thank you, Miss Chris. Okay po, for the tour. And, we hope that you enjoyed our today's content. Now, ngayon naman, samahan niyo kami to showcase the foods here in Boy Bob's Restaurant. We would like to thank Granja Berde Resort Management for accommodating the team of Bicolano on the go for today's content. Thank you very much po to Ma'am Elenita Avila and Architect Inno sa pag-accommodate po sa amin for today. And of course, please do come and visit Granja Berde Resort located at Holiday Home Subdivision, Barangay Lagon, Daet, Camarines Norte. And do enjoy this beautiful resort. Please do stay here in comfort.